Hello friends, welcome back to Alfas Techz. And today in this video I am going to showing that how to fix WhatsApp images or videos are not showing in your gallery. And sometimes you can see that in your WhatsApp you have been downloaded images and videos but it's not showing in your gallery. So in this video we are going to finding the solution for how to fix WhatsApp images or videos are not showing in your gallery. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the video. And at first you need to open your WhatsApp application in your device. And after in the WhatsApp interface you can see 3 of the dots in the top of this WhatsApp, and you want to just open this option from here. And after that you want to just open the WhatsApp settings. And after that in the WhatsApp settings you can see more of the options like account, chats and notification. And here you want to select the chats option from here. And after that you can see theme, wallpaper and media visibility. And here you can see media visibility has been turned off. And if you have been turned off this option, you will never visible your WhatsApp images or videos to your gallery. And you want to just turn on this option from here, and after turning this on you will get all the visibility to watch the videos and the photos in your gallery within few clicks, and all the newly WhatsApp medias will directly goes to your gallery. And this is the option you need to enable in your WhatsApp settings. And if you like our video, please share your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.